Hey, is your iPhone streaming storage almost full even after you have deleted apps, photos and videos? And what is this mysterious system data that it's up 10, 12, sometimes even 20 gigabytes? Don't panic, you are about to learn 6 secret tricks to clear that hidden junk and get your storage back. And stick around till the end because the last tip is a pro level reset even Apple technicians rely on. First, clear your browser cache. Every time you browse Safari or Chrome, save temporary file that's backup. Go to Settings, then Safari tab, clear history and website data, and confirm on Chrome. Just open the app, go into Settings, Privacy, clear browsing data. And you will be surprised, this tiny step alone can instantly free 1 to 3 gigabytes. And that is just warm up. Wait till you see the hidden photos trick that almost nobody knows. Next, let's deal with apps that look innocent but secretly hoard junk. Go to Settings, then General, then iPhone Storage. Look for apps taking up huge space. Tap 1, hit Offload app, then reinstall it. This keeps your data safe but wipes away the hidden clutter. So here is the quick question. What is the lowest storage iPhone you have ever owned? It's 60 GB, 32. Comment below, I will share mine too. Third, clean up messages. Old iMessage, videos, GIFs, and even voice note stay buried in system data. Go to Settings, then Message, tap Keep Message, and switch it from forever to 30 days. Also go into Message Attachment and delete the big ones. Trust me, you will be find memes and clips from years ago that you forgot existed, and they are quietly eating your storage. Coming up, a single toggle inside photos that free multiple gigabytes instantly. And the final trick, that's the deep clean Apple never talks about. Fourth, restart your iPhone. It sounds silly, but after clearing cache and messages, a restart makes iOS re-index file and flush leftover junk. It's quick and it's work. Fifth, let's fix the photos. If you use iCloud, go to Settings, then Photos, and turn on Optimize iPhone storage. Here is what it does. Your phone keeps lighter version of photo and move the full resolution original to iCloud. This one toggle can free up to 3 to 5 gigabytes instantly. Bonus tip, if you don't want iCloud, just back up photos to Google Photos or a laptop, then delete them from your iPhone. Simple, safe and super effective. If these hacks are helping, hit subscribe so you don't miss my weekly iPhone secrets. And keep watching because the last tip is the ultimate deep clean.